Hello, today we are going to talk about widgets and the image callout widget. The image callout widget is a flexible widget that allows you to place text on top of an image and add a link to that image, sending you to another page. Let's take a look at how this widget works and how you can add it. As you can see, we are on a page editor. To add our widget, we are going to insert the cursor in the WYSIWYG editor and find the Insert Widget icon. The Insert Widget icon is the second one in. Once it opens our Insert Widget overlay, we simply need to find our callout widget and select it. This loads the configuration for the image callout. The image callout allows us to set a background image. It allows us to set an optional link, a title, an optional subtitle. It also allows us to configure the position of the text both horizontally and vertically. And we can select a width, determine whether the item is the first in the row, whether it needs dark text or not. And we also have the option for a template, which allows us to choose between a header block and an image block. Let's get started configuring this widget. First, let's choose a background image. Let's select one of the pre-configured or pre-uploaded background images. We can provide a link to a page that's already on your site. By using a slash and the end of the URL, it will automatically complete the full URL path for us. Let's supply a title. This is our test title widget. And let's give it an optional subtitle. We'll position the text at the bottom left for this item, and we'll leave it at a standard width. It is going to be the first in the row, and we probably need dark text with this image. Finally, let's leave the header block template in place. Now that we're finished configuring the widget, let's insert it. You can see that it's been inserted into the block and it's been appropriately labeled. Let's add a second widget of the same type, so another image callout. We'll configure this one similarly, but we are going to leave this one as an image callout, not a header callout. We'll want to pick a more square image. And we'll also give this one a link. As we add the title and the subtitle, we're going to position the text differently for this one. We will position this in the top right. It is going to be a standard width, and it is also the first in the row. This image does not need the dark text, but we want to adjust the image block template. We can also insert this widget. Now you can see that we have two image callouts back to back. If we save the page and continue the edit, this will allow us to see what it looks like on the front of our site. You can see that we have a full width banner image with our text and link. And the text is positioned in the bottom left corner like we asked. For our second image, you can see that this is not full width. It is a standard size 50% width callout. The text and subtitle that we displayed are placed in the top right like we asked as well. Now, you can see that perhaps this text does need to be dark, so we can go back and edit our page, double click on our callout, and simply adjust the text, insert the widget, and resave the page. You can now see that the text has been changed to a dark text. These are examples of the banner style and image style image callout widgets. Thank you.